turmoil in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh has ignited a political and communal debate that stretches beyond the immediate violence. With political leaders, legal frameworks, and historical claims intertwining, what really happened? And what does it signify for India's secular fabric? On November 24, an ASI-led survey of the 16th century Jama Masjid turned violent. A local court ordered the survey to investigate claims that the mosque was built on the ruins of a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Kalki. A mob allegedly gathered outside the survey site, pelting stones and torching vehicles. Police responded with tear gas and lathi charges, leaving 5 people dead, several injured, including 20 policemen. The violence triggered prohibitory orders, internet suspensions, and heightened communal tensions. Union Minister Giriraj Singh accused the Congress of indulging in pro-Islam vote bank politics, criticizing Rahul Gandhi for planning a visit to Sambhal, calling it political tourism, while remaining silent on issues like the treatment of minorities in Bangladesh. Rahul Gandhi condemned the UP government's handling of the situation as hasty and insensitive, holding the BJP responsible for creating communal divisions. Tejasvi Yadav joined the debate, lambasting the UP Chief Minister for allegedly promoting divisive politics and calling for democratic resistance against the BJP's governance. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti compared the situation of minorities in Bangladesh to that of India, sparking backlash from BJP leaders who labelled her remarks anti-national. The Places of Worship Act 1991 prohibits changes to the religious character of places of worship as they existed on August 15, 1947. However, claims based on historical texts like Babarnama argue the mosque replaced a Hindu temple during Babur's invasion. The Supreme Court has since paused the trial court's proceedings, directing the Sambhal administration to maintain peace until the next hearing on January 6. This is the third court-ordered inspection of its kind, following similar surveys at Varanasi's Gyanvapi Mosque and Mathura's Shahi Eidgah Mosque. Meanwhile, ASI's findings have complicated the narrative. A survey conducted under police protection revealed structural changes to the mosque, including the replacement of original flooring with marble and other modern repairs. The committee justifies these as safety measures, while critics claim they obscure historical evidence. The ASI's investigation also noted that some mosque spaces were rented out as shops, adding another layer to the controversy. Here are the big questions for our audience. Is this a fight for justice or a political ploy to deepen communal rifts? Should the ASI's findings lead to legal changes, or should history remain untouched under the Places of Worship Act? Most importantly, is India moving toward communal harmony or deeper divisions? And finally, can the current Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, put an end to this by enforcing the Worship Places Act? The Sambhal controversy is not just about a mosque or a temple. It reflects the deeper fault lines of how historical wounds are reopened for contemporary political gains. The violence, loss of lives, and ongoing legal battles demand introspection rather than polarization. What do you think, dear viewers? Share your views in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Salar Digital for more insightful explainers.